Hi everybody, it's Christina and thank you for joining me. So today it's like Christmas Day for me. I have just received this beautiful big box and it's full of goodies from Craft Stash. So I'm going to open this and show you what we have inside. So I've opened the box and as you can see it's full of goodies. So I'm going to move this over to one side and go through all the items in it one by one. So let's take out the first box, and this is a rotating stamp platform. As you can see, it's a push down platform. You can rotate the dial. This lifts off, and inside you have two magnets. Now you've also got different measurements in there. So we'll have a look at how to use that properly, and we'll get back to this. Now the next thing to come out is it's a guillotine, and this is going to be really useful for me as I use these on a daily basis. So it's a nice small compact one. It has a platform that you can hold down your card. It's got measurements along the top and the bottom, and it cuts really neatly. The next thing to come out is a removable double-sided cutting mat. There it is, and again it rotates. It's on a rotating base, so that is something else that's going to be infinitely useful in crafting. So here is the next thing. This is an all-in-one magnetic mat. So let's take a look what's inside this. So there it is, there's the magnets, and you've got a ruler on the bottom. So you can pop your card on, hold it magnetically in place, and you can use your ruler which is also magnetic to measure things that you need to measure on your card. So the next thing we have is a glass media mat. Now you can use all your mixed medias, your paints, your inks, your pastes on this side, and you can use this side as the measuring side. So that again is going to be very useful. The next thing we have is a set of silicone brushes. Now I'll only get one out. These are all the same, but they're ideal for spreading your embossing paste, your glitter glues, anything else that you need to spread. You can use your media mats with the plain side there, and these will spread things around for you on your projects. And you've got 6 of those in the box. The next thing we have are some flat top blending brushes, and there are 4 in the set. Now these slide out of their carriers. They're lovely and soft. They will blend your inks and onto your paper, and you can wash them when you need to. You can also get a brush cleaning pad. Now you can hold this in your hand. You can take your brushes, and with a little bit of soapy water you just rub them on this, and it gets all the ink out to leave these beautifully clean and ready for your next project. So these two really go together. Now this is a 5x7 media plate, and this is beautiful to work with your stamping platform. You can use your inks, your distress inks, different acrylic paints to mix and match different patterns on this. So it's like a jelly plate, and you can use this for all different kinds of backgrounds and projects that you may need to use. And then out of the box I've also brought some alcohol markers, and there are 80 dual tip markers in this set. It comes complete with a case, and each one has a dual end. So you've got the chisel tip and you've got the bullet tip, and they will be extremely useful for all your colouring projects on your designs. So there are some of the new creative craft products that are available at Craft Stash. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.